Here are some of the alerts you'll see on the ENA 8. Fill the water tank, add beans, empty dredge drawer, empty drip tray, attach drip tray, clean the milk system, and descale the machine. Those are some of the alerts you're going to see on this machine. All right, now let's take a look at emptying your drip tray and dredge bin. So this machine has what's called a smart drip tray. What this means is that there are metal probes in the drip tray, which when touching water sends a current to the machine, telling it that the machine needs to be emptied. So we're going to go ahead and trip that just to see how that works. To do that, we're just going to pour some water right into the drip tray. So now that we have our empty drip tray message, we're going to go ahead and take our drip tray and dredge bin out and empty those. So we can remove that by pulling out right here. We're going to take our dredge bin. We're just going to go ahead and empty it. Set that down there. And you can see those contacts I mentioned right here. And to empty the drip tray, there's actually this nice little flap here, so you're not going to get water everywhere. We can go ahead and empty that. Now sometimes I've noticed that when you go to put the drip tray and dredge bin back in the machine, it won't want to go in. This usually means that you've taken it out when the machine is doing a cycle of some sort. To reset that, you can just turn the machine off and back on, and you should be able to put that drip tray and dredge bin right back in. And now we have our message cleared and we can keep brewing.